Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Vudu on your TV using an activation code, follow these simple instructions. Step 1. Turn on your TV and open the Vudu app. If the app is not installed, download it from your TV's App Store. Step 2. Launch the Vudu app and navigate to the Settings or Sign In section. Step 3. Select the option to activate your device or link your TV. Step 4. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this code visible. Step 5. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to voodoo.com/activate. Step 6. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV into the field on the website. Step 7. Click Submit or Continue. Then log in with your Voodoo account credentials. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up to create one. Step 8. Once the code is verified, your TV will automatically refresh and Vudu will be fully activated. You can now browse and watch thousands of movies and TV shows, including rentals, purchases, and free content with ads. Enjoy streaming on your big screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.